In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. If you've created a spreadsheet in Google Sheets and need to share it with someone who uses Microsoft Excel, the good news is that the process is very simple. In most cases, Google Sheets does a solid job of preserving your formatting, including things like colors, fonts, borders, and basic formulas, as long as you export the file correctly. I'll walk you through the quickest way to do it so your spreadsheet stays as close to the original as possible. To begin, open your document in Google Sheets. Make sure you are in the exact spreadsheet you want to convert before moving on. It's a good idea to quickly review the sheet first, especially if it contains multiple tabs, custom formatting, or charts. This helps you confirm that everything looks correct in Google Sheets before you export it to Excel. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main File menu, where you'll find several options related to saving, sharing, and downloading your spreadsheet. The option we need is located inside the Download section. From the File menu, hover over Download. When you do this, a side menu will appear with different file formats you can choose from. Look for Microsoft Excel, followed by the XLSX file extension, and select it. As soon as you click that option, Google Sheets will begin converting your file and downloading it to your computer. After the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. The spreadsheet is now in Excel format and can be opened in Microsoft Excel just like any other. XLSX Workbook. This is the standard format most people use when working with Excel files, so it's ideal for sharing, editing, or storing a copy outside of Google Sheets. If formatting is especially important, it's always worth opening the downloaded file in Excel and giving it a quick visual check. While most formatting transfers cleanly, certain advanced features, formulas, or layout elements can occasionally appear slightly different between Google Sheets and Excel. A fast review can help you catch anything that may need a minor adjustment. And that's it. By opening your Google Sheets document, clicking File, hovering over Download, and choosing Microsoft Excel XLSX, you can quickly convert your spreadsheet into an Excel file while keeping the formatting as intact as possible.